Good morning, children. Children, today's chapter is Bones and Muscles. Chapter 7. The chapter name is Bones and Muscles. Bones means haddiya and muscles means maspecia. The bones means haddiya and muscles means maspecia. Now, children, identify the animals. Write the correct letter to name them. You have to identify the animals and you have to write the correct letter. Okay? You have to identify this picture and you have to write the letter. You have to do it by yourself. Bones and muscles. Our body is made up of bones and muscles. Our body is made up of bones and muscles. Press your upper arms. Children, press your upper arms. हाथ के ऊपर प्रेस कीजिए. You press the portion that feel hard to touch is bones. आप अपनी हाथ पे टच कीजिए upper arms पे which feels hard to touch. That is bones. जो hard part रहता है that means it is bones, and which is soft part that is muscles. The portion that is soft to touch is the muscles, and the portion is which is hard to touch is bones. Bones. The human body is made up of 206 bones. The human body is made up of 206 bones. In the activity on the previous page, you could identify the animals by looking at the framework of bones or skeleton. In first I have said no, you have to write by yourself. You have to identify the animals. So you can identify by looking the framework, by the structure and or by the skeleton which animal it is. In the same way, the bones in the human body join together to form the human skeleton. In the same way, the bones in the human body, how many bones are there? There are 206 bones in the human body joined together to form a human skeleton. Look at this picture. See, this is a human skeleton. It is joined with bones. Look at this picture. This is a skeleton. These bones are joined together and it forms the human body joined together to form the human skeleton. Functions of the skeleton. Functions of the skeleton. The skeleton help us to stand straight and walk. The skeleton help us to stand straight and walk. Means the bones help us to stand straight and walk. It gives shape to our body. It protect the delicate inner part of our body. It protect the delicate inner parts of our body. बहुत जैसे नाजुक inner parts होते हैं वो उसको protect करते हैं. The place where two bones meet is known as a joint. The place where two bones meet is known as joint. We can bend our body around the joints. We can bend our body around the joints. See, where two bones are meeting, where two bones meet, that is known as joint. Neck joint, elbow joint, knee joint. These all are wrist joint. These all are joints where two bones meet together and we can bend our body around the joints. Neck joint, see, elbow joint, knee joint. These are two bones joined together. Skull protects the bone. Skull protects the brain. What is the function of brain? What is the work of brain? Skull protects the brain. It protects the brain. Shoulder joint. Rib cage protects the heart and lungs. Rib cage protects the hearts and lungs. Wrist joint. Look at this picture, wrist joint. This is a human skeleton, and where two joint bones meet is known as joint. We can bend the body around the joints. With the help of joints, we can bend our body. Muscles. Muscles are the soft part that covers our bones. Muscles are the soft part that cover our bones. Muscle help us move the bones. Muscles help us move the bones. The human body has more than 600 muscles. The human body has more than 600 muscles. How many bones are there? There are 206 bones. And how many muscles are there? There are 600 muscles. And muscles are the soft parts. They are soft. Which is the soft part? Is known as muscles. And they cover our body. The skin covers the muscles and bones. The skin means chamdi jo. What it is doing? It covers the muscles and bones. Muscles and bones work together as a team and help us to bend, stand, sit, walk, run. What are muscles and bones? They work together. They both work together as a team and help us to bend. You can bend yourself, stand, sit, walk, run. These all works we can do with the help of muscles and bones. Posture. Posture is the body position we have while standing, sitting and walking. Posture is the body position we have while standing, sitting and walking. We must always have an upright and straight position. We must always have an upright and straight posture. See, look at this picture. You should not sit like this. This is a wrong posture. You should sit like this. Sit straight. See this? And you should, when you're going to school or coming to school or going back to home, you should not take your bag and walk like this. You must stand straight and walk. This is the right position. And when you are using computer or laptop, you should sit this way. This is the wrong position. And when you are bending yourself or taking something from down, you should pick like this. Not by this. This can harm your body. To keep our bones and muscles healthy and strong, we must have the correct posture while sitting, standing, bending and moving. To keep our bones and muscles healthy and strong, we must have a correct posture. हम लोग को अपनी बॉडी और मसल्स को स्ट्रॉन्ग और हेल्दी करने के लिए अपना पोस्चर करेक्ट करना चाहिए. While sitting, standing, bending, moving. Most of the children are sitting like this in the wrong posture, or walking or bending. They are not using the correct posture. We should keep muscles and bone healthy and strong by sitting, standing, bending and moving. Correct posture keeps the body in good shape. Correct posture keeps the body in good shape. It keeps the body in a good shape. Exercise and proper food. Exercise and proper food. In order to maintain healthy bones, we need to have healthy food such as milk, cheese and eggs. In order to maintain healthy bones के लिए what we should have? We should take healthy diet, healthy food. We should take milk, cheese, eggs. For strong muscles, we need to exercise and stay active. For strong muscles, we need to do proper exercise. You should do exercise by many of activities are there, by playing cricket, football, badminton. These all are activities, or you can say exercise. They keeps our muscles active. Activities such as cycling, swimming, playing sports keep the muscles working well. Activities such as cycling, swimming and playing sports keep the muscles well. Healthy food and regular exercise is essential for strong muscles and bones. Healthy food, we should take healthy food like fruits, milk, egg, cheese. We should take to keep our bones healthy, and we should do regular exercise. If we can't do exercise, we can do by cycling, swimming, playing sports and all. It keeps our muscles strong. So we should take healthy food and regular exercise for strong muscles and bones. Now children, bones, how many bones are there? Human body is made up of 206 bones, and the skeleton help us to stand straight and walk. The place where two bones meet is known as joint. And what is the work of muscles? Muscles are soft part that cover our bodies, bones. Muscle to help us move the bones. We should sit in a straight posture, like I have you have seen the picture about right posture and wrong posture position. So we should sit straight, or we should walk straight. We should see the posture, how we are walking and sitting, sleeping, bending. We should see the posture and we should walk. And proper exercise and proper food. We have to take healthy food like milk, cheese and eggs. And we should do proper exercise to stay active. And by exercise, our muscles and bones are strong. Thank you.